In this video, I'll be showing you how to make text in Circle in Word. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Open up any Word document you have, then click on the Insert tab, which is going to be at the very top. Now, from here, all I want to do is go ahead and select Word Art, and then select the first plain black style preset from the grid drop-down menu. So I'm just going to choose this one. Then what I can do is type your desired text. So I'm just going to do something like and subscribe, which is what you should do. And it's going to look like this. Now what you want to do is click and highlight your text box frame to unlock the shape format tab, which is right here. As you can see, it only shows up when I select the text. Now, once you're here, look in the center of the ribbon menu for Word Art Styles, which is going to look like this. And then click on the text effects action icon button. So it's going to say right here. And now I'm going to see 3D rotation as one of the options. So once I go ahead and click on it, I'm going to see, the text effects area, and then hover your cursor over the transform section like so. And then I'm going to see it in a circle or, a button or anything like that. There's going to be loads of different ones that you could go ahead and choose from. But of course, if you want it in a circle, just go ahead and choose this one right here. And then obviously it's a bit, squished up right now. But, when you make it bigger and everything, it's going to show properly, especially if you have more text. So, I can just type in more stuff like so. Obviously, when you're editing it, it shows normally. When I click out of it, it's going to be filling up a circle for me. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.